Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a product unavailable on Shopify. First, go over to the top left hand corner and select products. After selecting products, you're going to select the product that you'd like to make unavailable. So you're going to tap on the product name. From here, you can scroll down and then you're going to see the option where you see inventory and you can see available. You can tap right there. After you have done that, you can adjust the quantity. So for example, we can adjust it and say 0. Then you can also add a reason for your correction. If you want, you can add a reason right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save. Now that it says 0, you can go back to the product. For example, if we were to select preview in the top right hand corner, you will see now that the product says sold out. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.